Is this thing working? Hello and welcome to the Event Horizon Devlog, where I will be talking about Space Battle and Mass Clicker into others. The idea of this devlog is just to show you the behind the scenes about these games. So I think with this format is much easier for me to share everything. So I hope you like this content, and of course if you want to follow me into this journey, just follow me and subscribe to this channel, so it's much easier for both of us. So let's go! As you all know, in the last month I have improved Space Battle a lot to be able to port to Xbox, Epic Games and Nintendo. At the same time, I have started Mass Clicker, which could be the second game. But I have doubt about how to communicate all the news in a correct way, so I decided to start from here. The concept of Mass Clicker is clear to me, but I have to find more time to get a demo soon. I love the idea of doing something in 3D because honestly it's much more beautiful and attractive. I hope to finish porting Space Battle to Nintendo Switch and Steam Deck soon. The bureaucracy is very time consuming for me. Okay, I know what you're thinking right now. No, another channel about game dev, devlogs, blah blah blah. But in the end, if you are watching this video, it's because you care about these games. Maybe you don't even know about Space Battle, Mass Clicker. So if you finish the video, I just want to say thank you. All your feedback is always welcome. In the end, us as game programmers is like some kind of artist, you know, so all the feedback, of course good feedback, bad feedback, I read all of your comments, so everything is to grow. So I just want to say thank you, and I hope you like this kind of content. So if you want to follow me in this journey, just subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.